James, how are you?
Very good.
Good to see you, man.
And you.
Nice shirt.
Thank you.
Huh?
It's one of my regulars.
How was your starter?
Very tasty.
Yes.
But, to be honest, it's sort of almost a posh fry-up. You've got bacon, a poached egg, and then you've got like the bubble and squeak, but without the potato bit.
Right, Top Gear. You're always portrayed as the wimp, the one that's always coming behind Jeremy, behind Hammond. Clarkson's a god. Hammond's become a hero on the back of the crash.
I'm just a bloke. I'm not married.
But
I don't have any kids. I have a cat.
I can turn that around and show them that you're the most manly out of three of them. I've got an idea. Simple little test. JP, please. It's the test of a man. It's the test of a real man. It's snake whiskey. It's from Laos.
That is a real snake in the bottle, is it?
Yeah, there's several there. But
it's dangerous, isn't it?
Here we go. Ah, well done. Any thoughts?
It's quite light, really.
It's quite light.
Yeah.
You spent too much time with Oz Clark, you know that. Second, please, JB. This is Bull's penis.
This is for me.
This is to prove your manliness. It's huge in China.
It's huge on your plate, actually.
It's very good for getting things going sort of downstairs. Any particular?
Well, I'll have the stem where it all starts.
From the sack.
It could go me sort of from there to there. That's the hilt, isn't it?
I'll go under the helmet.
So this is a bull's cock.
Yes.
And this has probably been in a lady cow at some point.
I'd like to think so. I want that poor bull to die happy.
It's all right, actually. Well, I was going to say it's a bit stiff, but I didn't mean that.
I forgot to say
it's
before
a bit rubbery.
Sorry. Right, the biggest challenge. Thanks, JB. Now, this one is extraordinary. This is an amazing delicacy from Iceland. Yeah?
I know. It's a blue whale's penis.
And it's basically rotten shark. Now, it's been put in the ground, covered in gravel, for up to 3 months. On the back of that, it's hung for 4 months, and it is a local delicacy in a way that you have to eat it without being sick. And that is the sort of true definition of a proper man. Yes? God, it does fucking stink. Oh, my God. Traditionally, OK, it's washed down with a glass of Brennivin, OK? It's like a rich firewater. Ready, buddy?
No.
Just pull that bucket out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit.
You disappoint me, Ramsay.
Damn. God almighty, did you chew it?
Yeah.
Oh, James.
Do you want me to do it again?
Congratulations. Well done. Bloody hell.
I wouldn't actually recommend that.
I will put you, at the top of the poll.
Thank you.
Hammond second, Clarkson third.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant. Well done. I'll see you shortly,
See you in a bit. That is quite minging, that one.